Kevin here from Wholefleet Diagnostics. We've got a user asking, how do I know what version of engine I have, or what make or model of engine is in a specific piece of equipment? So there are certain engine or certain vehicle or pieces of equipment that have different options for engine manufacturer, for tier level of emissions, or EPA emission compliance years. And how do I know? How do I go through and find out which version of engine it is? Well, the beauty of this is that we can get Jaltest to go through and do a lot of that work for us. Sometimes it's a trial and error situation, but for the most part, Jaltest has system scan features worked in even on the off-highway equipment. So let's take a look here. I'm going to go through and hit on heavy equipment again, and I'm going to actually pick on Caterpillar once again. For the Caterpillar manufacturer, you can see right at the top here, there's a machine system scan. So basically, if you've got that 9-pin hooked up, or that other CAT connector here, if you got either one of those hooked up, if you just hit machine system scan, it should go through and figure out exactly what make, model it is, and then what version of modules are on board. Okay, if you don't have that luxury, or you've already gone in and selected your make and model, let's go with that 740 truck again. So a 740 series. If I click on that again, we've got this list of different options for modules. Now, doesn't matter really what manufacturer we're looking at. What you should be looking for is the system scan function. Okay, if you do system scan, this is going to go through and it's going to identify which individual modules you have on board this piece of equipment. So it kind of takes the guesswork away. There are some situations where you may not have a system scan available, and you may have to just go through and individually try each one yourself until you get the one that you're hooked up to. A general rule of thumb is typically those tier 4 final. If you see tier 4 final, oftentimes it's got DEF system on board. If it doesn't have DEF, it's most likely not a tier 4 final. There's some other little tricks and tips that you might figure out based on individual manufacturers. But for the most case, if you see that system scan option, go through and do that system scan. It's going to go through and figure out exactly what it is you have on board. So the other option would be just trial and error. Okay, so that is just quickly how you would go through and identify automatically what systems are on board, and this will go through and identify any transmission or engine or after treatment controller or hydraulic controller, body controller, all that. It will go through and identify those for you automatically. So taking the guesswork out of it. Another option would be go through and actually figure out, based on the documentation or by taking a physical look at the vehicle, exactly what systems are on board. So if you have any questions or you have any requests for other videos, just give us a shout on our toll-free line. We'd be happy to answer any questions and then also potentially put together a video for you.